Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, guys, but what we'll be doing actually will apply to Lincoln MKX and Ford Edge for a generation, guys. We'll show you how to remove and replace the rear door handle, exterior door handle assembly, the whole assembly that opens and closes your door. Stay with us, guys, and we'll explain what needs to be done. We'll cover everything from start to finish. On the rear left door, rear right door will be the same way. Now, quick introduction. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we make at least 200 videos. Why, guys? Simply because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy a new replacement handle, parts, tools, anything like that, check out, guys, the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can find all that if you need to get it. So now this is, guys, a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on. 2009. This is the exterior door handle, guys, assembly right there. Stay with us. We'll cover everything from start to finish, what needs to be done. It will take quite a bit of work. As you can see, everything's in pieces. So let's start on it now. What we need to do, we need to get a small flat head screwdriver. We need to open one cap in the interior door handle right there. Once we do that, okay, we need a small Torx. Okay, let me find it somewhere here, guys. Torx 20 star looking bit. Okay, I think it's this one right there. Perfect. Go ahead and remove this one now, all the way. Okay, great. Guys, what we need to do, we need to get a plastic panel remover tool. We need to remove that cover for the interior door handle. Okay, just like that. You can see, came out. Now, what else, guys, we need to do? We need to go ahead, okay, and remove another bolt right there with 732 socket, guys. There is one screw hidden in the door handle. Go ahead and pull that thing out all the way. Perfect. You can see it's out. Now, we have a few more screws that we need to remove in order to be able to pull the door panel out. Okay, Phillips head screwdriver, and here we have one screw, one on the bottom, perfect. Now we probably have some underneath, guys, and we most likely, okay, we have two underneath, guys, that we need to remove as well. One towards the front. Okay, perfect. Now we have two more. Okay, one Phillips screw right here and one towards the top. So you can see we got all of those out. Now, good thing about that door panel is not held in place by too many clips, maybe 3 or 4, I think probably 3, because you can see how many screws we had, so that's a good thing. Now, we'll get a plastic panel remover too, get underneath somewhere, pry, okay, and pull up, come out of the lock, and now we need to disconnect the switch, guys, okay, the window switch, right there. Press in, pull out. Now let us show you where all the clips are located, guys. One clip, two clips, okay, I think here, maybe that's a clip too, let me see. Well, maybe not. So, not very many clips, guys, as you can see, that hold the door panel in place. Now we have the ignition key on, we install the window switch, guys, and here there is one cap that we need to remove. By removing that cap, okay, we need to bring the window down until we see that bolt here, guys. So, okay, quick, let me do something. We probably have the windows deactivated on the front, so you gotta make sure that you do that. Now, right here, we bring the window down, right there, guys. Okay, this is the bolt that we're looking at. Now, what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and disconnect. Okay, we'll turn the ignition switch off. So, okay, we don't need to worry about leaving it on. So Torx 30 guys, Torx 30 started looking bit okay right there, and we're going to go ahead and start getting that bolt loose. Okay, all we have to do, get it loose. Do not remove it all the way guys, very important. Get it loose a couple revolutions. Okay, that's it. Now, if you grab the window, okay, it should come up. If you grab it with your hands, okay, you should be able to bring it up guys, to come out of the holder. Let's see. Oh, it's still holding, so the front ones, you don't have to take them off. Let me see if you have to do the same thing, okay, for the rear ones, or the rear one. Okay, the design may be to where you take it off. We don't know for sure. So let's go ahead and take the whole screw off. Make sure you don't drop it in. It has thread locker, blue thread locker guys. Now, if we grab the window, it should come up. Okay, perfect. What we'll do, we'll get duct tape and we're going to tape it up guys. Okay, I dropped it down a little bit, so let's pull it a little bit more up. Okay, perfect. And install the duct tape. I would even recommend to use 2 duct tapes, one on each side, but even one will hold it for us. So we can continue with the next step. Next guys, 10mm socket, and we're going to remove quite a few bolts. Okay, perfect. You can see they came out just like that guys. Now, what else we need to do? Here now guys, okay, most likely the door lock actuator bracket with the exterior door handle and you can see the that plate that holds the window regulator all will come in one piece, because right here you have 2 bolts holding everything together. So the correct way to do that now guys is to actually get the door lock actuator loose. Okay, this is a Torx 25 guys, Torx 25 start looking bit, and we will go ahead, okay, and remove, okay, the 3 screws here. So we just get them loose. We can get the little screwdriver and take them off just to pre-loosen them. You can see the original door at Ford, it's not even painted here guys, that's crazy. Okay, so we'll go ahead, the electric screwdriver guys, we'll have it listed in the description of the video below. Super handy too guys, this thing is simply amazing. So go ahead, take them off. They have blue thread locker guys, I can see that on the bolts, so they do not get loose from vibrations. Okay, perfect. Now, what else we need to do? We need to come on the outside guys, we need to start with the door handle. Okay, we need to remove the door handle. How? Right here guys, okay, there is one cap, and on the cap, check it out, it even tells you that it's a Torx screw guys. Okay, it has a Torx sign on it. Okay, and I just dropped it under the tire. So here there is one bolt, okay, with Torx. Torx 20, okay, we got it in. Now get it loose just a little bit, not enough to come out all the way. Okay, that's it. Now open the door handle a little bit, pull that piece out, grab the handle, pull it back, disconnect it, remove it. You can see it comes out like that. Now right here, this is a Torx, okay, Torx 25. Start looking bit again guys, right here. Go ahead, pull, remove that one. Okay, this one you will need to remove it guys, almost all the way. Maybe, let me see. Yeah, let's remove it all the way, because it doesn't want to slide out. So if we remove it all the way, it will come out easier. You don't have to, I think, but we'll just go ahead and do that. Okay, perfect. Now door handle is loose on the inside. What else we have holding here guys? Not very much. We need to grab that panel, okay, come out a little bit. You can see where the window regulator is. come in an angle. Now here you have to be careful, guys. Okay, you need to come around the rail. Super complicated design, by the way. Okay, and here we get stuck now. So let's see, guys, what else we need to do. Or we will need to, okay, get, okay, the wires loose a little bit there so we can get a little bit more slack so we can tilt it, guys. We have a few clips. With a clip removal tool. We just go ahead and pull it out. Okay, it got stuck a little bit there at the corner. So let's see now what's going to happen, guys. So we'll remove the door speaker, guys, so we can actually see if we can flip the panel this way so it can come out. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, there is 2 screws that you can reach now from the back, and with 8mm go ahead and remove those if you want to. It's your decision, guys. So okay, this is all 4 screws. Now we'll remove the door speaker, disconnect it, okay, and get it out of the way. Now the window motor wire, disconnected there, slide it out, perfect. Now let's go ahead and see, okay, what will happen here and if we can get more slack out of it, guys. Okay, if it can come loose or we won't be able to. Okay, oh, right here we got stuck, yep, in that lock. So now, still won't be enough, guys, okay, but if we disconnect the cable, okay, right there for the door lock actuator, okay, it got stuck underneath there, we'll be able to pull it out. Okay, get the wiring harness out, guys, all the way out. You can see now we can tilt it a little bit. Our door is smashed too, guys, so maybe it has something to do with that. Our door is hit here, so maybe this is why it doesn't want to come out as well, guys. Okay, let's give it a second. Okay, right there, guys. Now the only difference it took a little bit longer is because you can see our door is hit, and as a result we have less room to work with, so we will actually just straighten it a little bit with the foot. So you can see the whole assembly came out just like that. Now, guys, right here we need to get 8mm socket. Okay, let's go the other way to get them loose. 8mm socket, and we need to remove 2 screws. Okay, perfect. Now check it out, it's going to come loose here. Now guys, okay, first we should have done that, guys. I need to get a small screwdriver. This is the cable for the interior door handle release, guys. So if you come right here, yep, just pry it like that. It has 1 tooth holding, guys, on the back side, so it comes out. Bring it to here and come out of there. Now we can get the lock rod, okay, out. Okay, just like that. Now we need to separate the exterior door handle from the door lock actuator, so let's see how we need to do that. We even have a heavy duty zip tie, which is, I believe, installed by Ford, because from what I can see there is a place where it actually goes through, so probably that's all original. We'll go ahead, cut it, guys. We'll get a replacement one later. Get that zip tie. Perfect, pull it out. And now right here we have 1 tooth. Okay, check it out, there is 1 tooth, okay, that we need to press in. Okay, it's going to come out, but we should have disconnected the one of the okay, there is another tooth there. Okay, right here we should disconnect this one, that rod, okay, for opening the door from the outside. Right here there is 2 teeth that we need to squish in towards each other, pull it out. Now you can see the exterior door handle mechanism and the door lock actuator are separated. So this is, guys, the exterior door handle mechanism. Now how you install it? Okay, simply you go right here, guys. Okay, get it there, but now check it out. You need to, guys, bring that mechanism down. Okay, nope, that's too much. Okay, like that, and we need to slide it forward. I'm not in, by the way, right here. Okay, let me see what's happening here. Okay, it looks like I wasn't in all the way, guys. So now we go back. Okay, back a little bit. Okay, now put that thing down and okay, lock it like that. Perfect. Now this is the mechanism, guys. You can see when you pull how it activates everything. Now if yours is broken, it could be broken just the handle here, or it could be broken the mechanism. That's why your door may not even open from the outside. But that's how you guys remove it. If you need to buy replacement parts, we'll have everything listed in the description of the video below. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.